Hello, my name is Justin Jammer, and I am the CEO and founder of Jammer Medical Solutions. We specialize in providing top-level sterile processing techs to facilities that have a shared vision in reducing their rates of healthcare acquired infections by at least 10%. Being here in the Staffingpreneurs Academy, learning from Dee, having the opportunity to truly sit down and lay your vision out with a strong purpose, I believe has truly allowed us all to not only have an idea, but to put that idea on paper and be able to work together to be able to make that vision a reality. And I think that no matter what you pay for the program, no matter kind of where you are in the process, I believe that Dee can help to further your learning, your experience, give you more confidence. And I think overall for all of us, we have just had an amazing time here, and I can't wait to see how we all continue to succeed with her continued help in our journey. People ask, well, why Dee? And I would say, I've done other programs, I've had the opportunity to sit through some of them, and I've never gotten the information and the clarity that you get when you go through this program. And for that, I'll forever be grateful for her. I always remember how she helped me to believe in myself, to put my vision out there, to continue to push myself through the nervousness, through everything else, because as long as you have something that you believe in, you can go as far as you're willing to take yourself. Thank you, Dee. Have you ever asked yourself, what's missing? Like, I felt like I did everything I could to a certain point, and then you hit a plateau. You know what's missing? It's Dee. Staffingpreneurs Academy, Reskillify. They will give you the tools and everything that you need in order to succeed. Trust Dee. Trust the process.